Imagine a vast library filled with countless books. Each book represents a different species on Earth. This is biodiversity, the incredible variety of life that surrounds us. From tiny bacteria to towering trees, every living thing plays a role in nature. Biodiversity includes the diversity within species, like different breeds of dogs or varieties of apples. This array of life is essential for our planet's health and our survival. A biodiverse planet provides countless benefits. From the food we eat to the air we breathe and the medicines that keep us healthy. Biodiversity measures our planet's health. A healthy planet provides resources for human well-being. Protecting biodiversity is self-preservation. Each species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Think of an ecosystem as a delicate house of cards. Each card represents a different species. Remove one card, and the entire structure weakens. Predators control populations of prey animals, maintaining healthy ecosystems. Decomposers break down dead organisms, returning essential nutrients to the soil. Insects like bees and butterflies play a vital role in pollination. Protecting biodiversity ensures ecosystems continue to provide the services we depend upon. Sadly, we are losing species at an alarming rate. This loss of biodiversity is largely driven by human activities such as habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species. The consequences of this loss are dire, impacting not only the natural world but also our own well-being. Consider the humblebee. Bees are vital pollinators, responsible for pollinating a third of the food we eat, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. However, bee populations are declining worldwide due to factors like pesticide use, habitat loss, and disease. The loss of bees would have devastating impacts on our food supply, leading to higher food prices and potential shortages. The loss of biodiversity weakens the resilience of ecosystems, making them more vulnerable to collapse. This, in turn, threatens the essential services they provide, such as clean air and water, food security, and climate regulation. Biodiversity is not just an abstract concept. It directly impacts our daily lives in countless ways. From the food we eat to the medicines we rely on, our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our planet's ecosystems and the diversity of life they harbor. Our food system, for instance, relies heavily on biodiversity. A diverse range of crops provides us with essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Similarly, many of our medicines are derived from plants and animals, highlighting the importance of biodiversity for human health. For example, the rosy periwinkle, a plant native to Madagascar, provides us with crucial anti-cancer drugs. The loss of biodiversity not only threatens our access to these vital resources, but also limits our ability to discover and develop new ones. Protecting biodiversity is about safeguarding our future and ensuring that we have access to the resources we need to thrive. Human activities are the primary drivers of biodiversity loss. Our insatiable appetite for resources, coupled with unsustainable practices, is pushing countless species towards extinction. Deforestation, for instance, destroys the homes of countless plants and animals, fragmenting habitats and pushing species towards the brink. Pollution, in its many forms, is another major threat to biodiversity. From plastic waste choking our oceans to pesticides contaminating our soil and water, pollution disrupts ecosystems and harms wildlife. Climate change, driven by our reliance on fossil fuels, is altering habitats at an unprecedented rate, forcing species to adapt or face extinction. We must recognize our impact on the natural world and take responsibility for our actions. Transitioning towards sustainable practices, reducing our consumption, and advocating for policies that protect biodiversity are crucial steps in the right direction. The good news is that we can all play a role in protecting biodiversity. Even small actions, when taken collectively, can make a big difference. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can reduce our impact on the environment and contribute to a more sustainable future. Supporting sustainable agriculture, such as buying locally grown produce and choosing organic options, reduces the demand for harmful pesticides and supports farmers who prioritize biodiversity. Reducing our consumption of single-use plastics, opting for reusable alternatives, and properly disposing of waste helps to minimize pollution and protect wildlife. Educating ourselves about biodiversity, its importance, and the threats it faces is crucial for informed action. By spreading awareness among our families and communities, we can inspire others to join the movement to protect our planet's precious biodiversity. Remember, every action counts, and together we can make a difference.